How to create an Instagram page for business. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to create an Instagram page for business, here is what you should do. For the business account, make sure you have downloaded the Instagram and updated it to the latest version. If you have not created an account, make sure to create one. Once that is done, you can switch it back to the business mode. Or if you have already created an account, just head over to Instagram and tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap on menu and head over to settings. Once you are on settings, scroll down and find the option of account type. This is to switch your account. Once you tap on account type and tools, tap on switch to professional account. Tapping on it will get you another page. Tap on next button. Choose the category for your business page. Once you choose the category, tap on switch to professional mode. Once you tap on switch to professional account, it will take you to another page. In this page, select on the business and tap on next. Now give in your business email address and phone number. Tap on next and tap on skip. This way, your professional account is ready. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.